Hey guys, it's Dennis here with Team De Bureau, like always, and today we have part number 2 of a series showing you how to make $100 with list building by using Google Adwords. So let's jump straight to the content. Hey guys, and welcome back to our tutorials, and in this series we are talking about how to make $100 with a list building by using Google Adwords. And today's topic is niche selection. So I'm gonna just share with you a couple of points and suggestions, what kind of niches are good to choose, why, and how you can do this step. So let's jump to the first slide up here, where I have listed a couple of bullet points for you to actually see what is important when you're choosing your niche. So let's have a look. So there are thousands of potential niches and markets to choose from. The key is ensuring the niche is profitable and has an opportunity for you to earn money from as an affiliate, right? So that is demand inside this niche, and that you have a big list of products or services that you can provide to your subscribers, right? So your email list. So the second one is it's important to pick the right niche or market for you moving forward. If you pick a niche or market without much opportunity, then it can be a struggle to be able to profit and earn money from. So competitive niches are called competitive for a reason. Why? Because it is a lot of demand, very important within that niche, and a lot of marketers are promoting products or services for these competitive niches. That means that a lot of people are searching for different solutions for problems they face to be solved. So a lot of searches, a lot of products that you can promote to help them to overcome that problems. So these kind of niches are very good to get in. Okay, let's jump to the right side. So the niche or market has a high potential for profitability. There is a lot of people interested and actively searching for information within the niche or the market. You are at least somewhat interested or even passionate about the niche or the market. So this part is very crucial for the long term of your business, because if you are not passionate or somehow interested in that niche, it's gonna be hard to keep going with your business in, let's say, 6 months or even a year from now. So keep in mind for this tip. Don't worry about the competition too much. Competition is good because it demonstrates there is a high potential for profit, which you want. And the last one is choose the niche that has a tremendous amount of pain, problems to be solved. And these niches are the best ones because it has a high demand for it. And now let's have a look to 2 options how you can actually brainstorm your ideas for your niches if you really don't know what kind of niche you would like to go. So we have just 2 options here. So one is brainstorming the niches on clickbank.com. So this is a marketplace for digital products, and they have a big list of niches, so sub niches that you can work around. So this is one option, so you can just go there and brainstorm. And the second one is amazon.com. So if you click on the departments, you will get a menu with a lot of niches, and if you go to this main niche, you're gonna get a sub and sub niches as well. So that's how you can brainstorm and create your list, and then in the end you're gonna pick your winner and then focus on that niche to create your list building by using Google Adwords. And the last tip here on the second slide is that you can go to Google Keywords Planner, and there you can check how much demand is for that niche inside Google, because we are going to use Google Ads by search term to get them to our landing page, so squeeze page with the free valuable content to then build our email list in the backend, where we're gonna promote other similar products within the niche you have selected. So here you can go to Google Keyword Planner and you can just type a relative keywords to your niche to see how much monthly searches you have for a particular country that you would like to focus if you want, or you can go even global, right? So this is a quick tip how you can brainstorm different niches. And let's jump to the last slide for today's video, where I'm gonna show you the niche that I have selected for this tutorial series, where we're gonna actually create everything. So the free valuable content, then the landing page, the squeeze page, where we're gonna collect our emails to build our list, so email list, and then the email sequence and all the rest. So let's jump to the last slide, which is this one here. So I actually went to the three big niches that will not die any soon, which are health, wealth, and relationship. So I went with health, and I selected a sub niche, which is keto diet. So keto diet is well-known diet which actually helps you to lose weight, and this is the pain points of the audience. So the audience have a struggle losing weight, and this is a solution that they can follow, which is gonna give them the results they want. So pain points and then the results you are giving them about keto diet. So that could be different products, different plans, diets, which you're gonna promote in the back end of your email marketing. But let's have a look at the structure. So the health, fitness, keto diet is the sub niche we're gonna focus. So identify the pain points of your audience within the sub niche. And then we're gonna use Google Adwords, so Google Ads, so the traffic source to collect email leads, so new subscribers, and build your list, so email list. And we're gonna do that by search keywords. So we're gonna do a keyword research and then create a campaign, so a lead campaign, where we're gonna actually give them free valuable keto diet ebook. So this is gonna be the free valuable content for exchange to their email address. So we're gonna give them the free ebook and they're gonna give us their email list, and all the rest steps is gonna happen in the back end, so inside your email marketing planning, to actually give them more value, more help, plus products and solutions from which you're gonna make profit. So if we look here below, so we're gonna have a give value, so free valuable keto diet ebook, which is gonna be connected to squeeze page, so to collect email leads, so the landing page. And this landing page is gonna be connected as well with your email autoresponder software. So we're gonna probably use again get response, and in the first email you're gonna be delivering the free keto diet ebook. And then from day one, it's gonna be your backend email marketing, like I said, giving value and promoting similar products. All right, guys, so this is everything for today's video. So just an overview about niche selection, what you need to focus, how to brainstorm and create your winning niche you're gonna be focusing. But we're gonna be focusing on keto diet niche for this tutorial, so this series of 10 parts to show you the entire steps you need to follow.
Are you struggling with your affiliate marketing business or want to take things to the next level? Allow me to introduce you to Dijs University. Dijs University is the #1 affiliate marketing training platform in the world. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced affiliate marketer, Dijs University offers you thousands of different videos with topics such as Facebook, volume, adplexity, and many more of your favorite topics. Step by step, you will learn the secret super affiliate ways to get the most out of each traffic source. Dominate each vertical with our detailed quick start guides. Are you ready to get started? Click the link in the description to sign up today.